Welcome to the ultimate yes or no challenge. Get ready to make some tough choices. Just pick one button, yes or no. But be careful. The twist comes after you choose. Let's see if you survive till the end. Are you ready? Before that, like, share, and subscribe the channel for such amazing quizzes. Would you like to visit this place? Switzerland bucket list unlocked. Would you watch this movie tonight? A Nightmare on Elm Street. Hope you sleep well tonight. Would you try eating this food? Pizza, instant cravings activated. Remember the position of all emojis. Where is the milkshake located? Milkshake is located in the number 4. Do you think you could survive here? Blizzard, now that's real survival mode. Would you wear this outfit in public? Strange outfit, dare to stand out? Do you like how this looks? Neon light in city, aesthetic overload. Choose your gift. What have you got? Tell in the comment box. Would you live in this house? Dream house, home goals achieved. Would you swim in this water? Dirty pool, you might need 3 showers after this. Would you go on this ride? Camel ride, desert vibes incoming. Bingo! Do you want to taste this? Pastry, sweet dreams are made of this. Would you trust this person? Hacker, trust level, -1000. Do you feel relaxed just looking at this? Quiet beach, feel the peace in your soul. Would you rather walk on fire or subscribe to our channel? Would you go here alone? Cave, welcome to the dark side. Would you take this risk? Walking on rope, now that's gutsy. Would you stay overnight at this location? An underwater hotel room, living the Atlantis dream. Comment your favorite destination or comment your favorite series. Would you eat this without asking what it is? Smoked cocktail, flavor explosion. Would you walk through this door? Hunter house door, enter if you dare. Would you spend money on this? A private jet's sky is no longer the limit. Choose your gift. What have you got? Tell in the comment box. Would you want this moment forever? Dancing in the rain, pure cinematic magic. Do you enjoy this kind of vibe? Dim basement with old furniture, vintage chill or creepy thrill. Would you be scared in this situation? Dense forest, the trees are watching. Would you rather? Which toilet seat will you choose? Decisions have never been weirder. Would you say yes without thinking twice? Dream destination, passports screaming your name. Do you wish you were here right now? Volcano eruption, talk about a hot spot. Would you dance like this at a party? Robotic dance, you just powered up the party. Comment your favorite month or comment your favorite animal. Would you pet this animal? Tiger, big stripes, bigger courage. Would you sleep in this room? Luxurious bedroom, that's royalty level comfort. Would you climb this mountain? Mount Everest, the climb of a lifetime. Thanks for playing the yes or no button challenge. We hope your choices surprised you, or maybe scared you just a little. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild choices coming your way. See you in the next twisty adventure.